In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Xfinity Mobile bill online. If you want a quick and convenient way to stay on top of your mobile payment, doing it online is one of the easiest options. The main method is to sign in to your Xfinity account, head to the billing area, select the option to pay your bill, choose how you want to pay, and then confirm the payment. I'll walk you through that in a simple, clear way so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, go to the Xfinity Mobile website. Once you're there, sign in to your Xfinity account using your Xfinity ID and password. Make sure you're entering your information on the official Xfinity sign-in page so your account stays secure. If you're on a personal device, the process is usually very straightforward, and once you're logged in, you'll be able to access your account details and billing options. After signing in, look for the Billing tab. This is where you can review your balance and manage your payment. Select Pay Bill to move forward. At this point, the site will guide you through the available payment options. If you already have a saved payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or bank account, you can choose that for a faster checkout experience. Using a saved method can save time, especially if you pay your bill online regularly. If you prefer, you may also have the option to set up autopay. This can be helpful if you don't want to worry about remembering your due date every month. Automatic payments can help you avoid missed payments and possible late fees, which makes this a useful choice for ongoing account management. Once you've selected your payment method, carefully review the payment details before submitting. This is a good moment to double-check the amount and make sure everything looks correct. Then confirm your payment to complete the process. You can also pay quickly through the Xfinity app on your smartphone, which is a convenient option if you prefer managing bills on mobile. And if you need a faster payment method without signing in, Xfinity also offers a guest pay feature. With that option, you can pay a bill using the phone number associated with the account. That's all it takes to pay your Xfinity mobile bill online. It's simple, flexible, and gives you a few different ways to make sure your payment is handled on time.